Life Network is the public square of all conversation for better, more optimized health and deeper wellness for every person on the planet.
But we recognize that there was a real hole in the health industry. A lot of clutter, a lot of confusion, a lot of people not knowing where to find the truth, how to really look, feel, and perform better, and no community that collectively was able to gather around that truth and make their lives better without wasting money and without wasting time.
We wanted one spot for you to get access to information and articles and videos and podcasts, and we wanted to make it totally accessible so that you could get the information that you need. Here's Life Network, the place where the conversation continues on, where the people who deeply care about health and wellness and creating legacy around this is where they live.
Life Network has been honestly a little bit like it went from being a cool idea to unexpectedly becoming probably the biggest thing that we've ever built.
And I think what makes it so big, and we've talked about this before, is just the community aspect, right? You can create, and this was part of the original vision, was just a repository, right, of information.
One-stop shop in your back pocket. Here's the podcast that
Totally.
you need. Yeah.
But it quickly became, well, we can give information to people, but the community that needs to form around that. And we're seeing that now even culturally.
And one of the things that we realized early on was we have all of a sudden all these incredible experts who are like friends of mine, former podcast guests, people who want to come in and do like ad-free podcasts and AMAs. And, I'm doing like my insider, raw podcast episode, and we have the Triumph episode. That's all great. I mean, just being able to know that you've got one source for podcasts where people are actually telling you the truth and they've been vetted and curated. But it's kind of like, that's just cool radio almost, right. And education is great. But that was what we identified early on, was let's make this fun. Let's make a community. Let's make a place to gather and talk about this stuff, and not just gather and talk about it, but do, push-up challenges and breathwork challenges and cold bath challenges, and actually start to have fun, create a community, and then also start to do that physically, right? Like events in cities and spaces where people can gather. And then, the market, I'm pretty sure that was your idea.
So the market, yeah. Well, you and I went to Health Optimization Summit.
Right. Yeah.
And we're walking the floor and we're going to all these different vendors. Yeah. And the thing that kept coming up was, this is great, if only I would have known that this company existed. Yeah. And you and I were talking, I can't remember if it was at a dinner one night.
Or is this company any good?
Exactly. Yeah. Yes. And so that was kind of the early stages of, what if we're working with all these brands? A dozen plus years. You've worked with incredible brands. How can we bring all of those into one spot and just make it easy for the everyday person?
What we want to do is actually take the deep dive into talking with these people, looking at their products, back to the term I used earlier, vetting and curating all of these different brands, and looking at what it is that's going to help our members the most. And then negotiate them being able to get really good deals on that stuff. It's like the Amazon of health.
Bringing it all under one roof, but also, to your point, we're bringing the best prices.
Yeah.
That's super important. You and I have talked about our contribution, and this was before the whole Make America Healthy Again acronym and movement started taking shape. And while we do have hard costs with the network, you and I have worked incredibly hard to engineer it in such a way that we have found a way to bring it in a free tier to every person on the planet. Now, it's going to be ad supported, but we don't want to gate access. This is such critical information, and it's important that every human being has access. So with regards to coaching, with regards to the network and the market, we have something for every budget level. Every person on the planet needs this.
Yeah, all the value is still there. And when you brought up the idea that we could actually give people free access, once I realized that we could, I'm like, you used the term that I think I probably never used before I met you, democratize, and that's exactly what it allows us to do on a greater scale.
You've had a very successful coaching team and platform. We've rebranded that to Triumph Coaching. I mean, hence the Triumph sweatshirt. What does Triumph mean to you? Why did we rebrand with that?
We have this saying now in Life Network that we go from trial to triumph, meaning that all of the things that we do together as a team, the workouts that we push ourselves through, the challenges, whether it's cold bath or breath work or walking 10,000 steps a day or whatever, these are all mini trials, and every single triumph that we achieve allows us to become stronger and stronger as a team.
Folks are bold and courageous and standing up and saying, I want to know what my options are. I want to be part of making my life, my rhythms, my daily routines healthy again. I want to eat healthy. I want to live healthy. I want to sleep healthy. The beautiful thing about the network and the market and the community that's forming is we get to carry that cultural zeitgeist movement into everyday practical application living within the network. That's why we created this.
Yeah.
So, got some great updates for you.
Sick.
We are actually going ad-supported, free tier, and we're leaning very social. That means we're gonna have a social posting wall.
Okay.
We've got this beautiful curated For You page where we're bringing podcasts, we're bringing articles and videos and curated experts like you.
So still all the same stuff,
all
still
the same
our
stuff.
experts,
Yep.
all that.
But instead of a gated fee, it's totally free. That's where Life Network begins for every person.
I want all the social aspects, right? I want like, whatever I want to call it, like the Facebook of health. Like I want all of that.
You should have access to the information. You should be able to educate yourself. And as you get more and more into the community conversation that's happening and you start finding friendships and build accountability, we've got the next step ready for you when you're ready. What I'm super pumped to report to you this morning, why I drove all the way over here, is to tell you that we are on track. We're releasing our app.
The idea of it being an app is like, it's a no-brainer. Like it's a must.
So we'll have the app, we'll have the free version ready to go. We're going to announce to the world that this exists and every person can join, ready to give this gift to the world.